Hey guys, what's going on? I thought I'd do a test of trade ideas this week since they're running a 2-week trial for $11.11. I'll leave a link in the description that you can go and sign up if you want to give it a try, which you probably won't after you've listened to this video, just because I'm not exactly overly excited about this premium subscription. So normally it sells for about $228 a month. And it's a super powerful piece of software, like really powerful, but the problem is it's so powerful I can't understand any of it. And there's a couple of things I wanted to point out. This isn't going to be a full review because I've just started with this thing, but the first thing that really annoyed me was when I went to the Trade Ideas website and downloaded the app. You can see it here, Trade Ideas Pro AI. When I click on it, I downloaded it and everything, and I try and open it. What happens is this comes up like you'd expect, and then this bar appears, and that's it. So what you're seeing in the background isn't anything to do with the app. It's actually the web platform. This bar is supposed to be the thing that has all this stuff for Trade Ideas on it, and for me it just won't work. And I've tried uninstalling it, reinstalling it, still doesn't work. So the first time I did though, I actually saw like pull down menus and stuff. Now I just get this stupid bar and there's nothing I can do with it. It doesn't, unless I'm just missing something, it's just ridiculous. So for me, the Trade Ideas Pro AI app doesn't work at all, which is really annoying. So let me close that. It barely even closes, you gotta like force close it. There we go. Alright, so this is the web-based platform. So when you sign up for the trial, you get 14 days or 10 trading days to check this out. You can go and sign in on their web-based platform. This is my sign in here. And you basically get bombarded with all this information. So for a bit of context, I actually really like Trade Ideas Strength Builder alerts. So I did a few videos about those where basically they send you 5 stocks every Sunday night that have the potential to break up through key levels and then continue, and the idea is you buy at the key levels and hopefully make money. So they're included in here somewhere. I saw them, there we go, strength alerts. So this service alone is only $17 a month for the strength alerts. Now it's not even opening. Am I even connected? This thing is really annoying me. Let me just check. Can't. I see, so I need to relog back in. Just give me a sec. Start trading profitably. So yeah, so you log in here for the web-based thing anyway. So hopefully it turns green. Okay, now it's green. So the strength alerts, like I was saying, it's a separate service. You can pay $17 a month and just get given the charts and the levels that you're supposed to buy. And it looks like this week's ones are CVI, TLK, ECU. But this isn't very helpful. Like, I'm looking at these charts, I'm like, okay, this isn't any better than just having them on my brokerage account. Sure, you can right click and change things. I figured that much out. You can change the time frame to like 1 minute or whatever. But it's no different from actually just getting these sent to me via email, which I prefer because it's so much simpler. I don't have to look at this other stuff. So anyway, that's an aside. What I really signed up for was the Holly AI bot. So this is this one here when you click on this icon on the side. So I did that this morning and I get this sort of interesting but confusing data. I have this thing which I'm not really sure. It says minus $1.70. Don't really know what's going on there. You can click on things and change them to moderate conservative risks. Don't really know. I saw that there was these 3 stocks that were closed. So by the time I looked at them, it looks like this artificial bot had traded these all for a small loss. And the only reason I know that is that I can go to filter and open trades, and there's no open trades. I can go to filter long strategies. So they have these different strategies like breakout, downward dog, which I thought was like a yoga position or something. Nickelback, on support, power hour short, breakout long. I don't know what's going on here. Like I don't understand why this stuff is relevant. I don't know how I get alerted to this. These were already closed by the time I look. Maybe tomorrow something new will pop up in this box when I set it to open only. I don't know how I get an alert. It's just like, I just don't understand. So I think these are the Holly bot that does the auto trading, but I can't set it to find any sort of track record. Like, I'll have a look now, but looking at pop out segments, all there's different Hollies. There's Holly Grail, Holly 2.0, Holly Neo. It's like, which strategy do I use? Like, can I see the back testing for it? I can't figure out how to do that. It's just weird and really annoying. I'm hoping this will be the first video of several I do, but if I can't figure anything else out interesting tomorrow, I'm not sure I'll be continuing to do anything with this platform. My hope was that I'd be able to sign up for Holly AI, I'd have clear, concise trade alerts popping up, and be able to look at a track record and take trades and then report back to you guys like how it's going. So far, I can't like figure out how to see like what these things are. Like, I don't want to be swing trading, I want to be day trading, so how do I set it to that so that I'm only getting shorter term trades? It's just clunky. Like, I think that's the best word for it. Clunky and confusing. I can see the power in it, but I'm really not over the moon about this whole thing. They have a ton of stuff like buzz and momentum and this alpha predator, right, which sounds really cool, and apparently it's really popular. So you click on alpha predator and this is what you get, and it's like, well, what? Like, how am I supposed to use this? Maybe somebody can offer to give me a tutorial on this or something. I don't get it. Like, big deal. I see a ticker here, INMB. Like, why am I paying or would be paying $200 odd bucks a month for this? It doesn't feel like it really provides much value. So I've only just started looking. Like I said, my main focus is on Holly, so I'll try and see if any trades pop up tomorrow on Holly and see if I can follow anything. But so far, I'm completely overwhelmed but underwhelmed at the same time with this. Just to check out this one. Trade the gap. So you get some gappers. Big deal. You can get that anywhere. I don't really see how that's a huge thing. And honestly, I really don't like how these are displayed, like things hiding behind each other and you see half of a line and things. It just isn't very good. So I thought it was just me, but I asked on the Facebook group, and we got some of the comments from here. So I actually was just posting earlier. It's complicated. My head hurts, and everybody agreed. I was like, oh wow, it's not just me. I thought I was just being like a spaz, but these guys thought the same thing. Mike had the same problem. The thing is, like, there's tons of education. Like, there'll be, oh yeah, look at the manual in these 2-hour-long videos. I'm just sitting there going, like, I got 20 minutes into an hour-long video, and I was just so like, this is terrible, that I gave up on it. I honestly can't understand that this company can keep its customers. Like, you get lots of people signing up for a trial like this, but I can't imagine that people are sticking around. This guy even said he paid somebody to show him how to use it, and he still couldn't use it. So it's not just me. I know it's a very popular platform, and there's people that are using it effectively. But so far, I've been totally unimpressed with this. I think I'm going to have to, for the next 10 days or 10 trading days, I'm going to have to focus on one thing. I think it's going to have to be the Holly AI stuff to see if it's, like, I can get a track record and like try and figure out like what all this means. Like, what is PF, profit factor, I guess, 4.5, long, breakout. But is this a trade? Like, is this, like, what is this? None of it makes any sense. So I think this is a case of the platform being too powerful for me. What do you guys think? I'll talk to you in the next video. Cheers.